Welcome to today's tutorial on adding a fade-in and fade-out effect to your videos using CapCut, whether you're editing on your phone or tablet. Let's dive right in. Start by opening CapCut on your device and importing your video. For this demonstration, I'll be using a stunning sunset video, which you can find linked in the description below. First, let's add the fade-in effect. Select your video in the timeline and tap on the animation button located here. Ensure In is selected, then choose Fade In from the options. You can adjust the duration of the effect by dragging the slider at the bottom. Once you're happy with it, click Done. Next, let's apply the fade out animation. Select the clip again, go to Animation, choose Out, and adjust the slider to set the fade out duration. Click Done to apply. And there you have it. You've successfully added both fade in and fade out animations to your video in CapCut. It's that easy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on CapCut and other editing tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.